or to give Bauchi State this recognition of being an ambassador of safety. I didn't know it is a big thing until the eloquent presenter spoke. And I'm so delighted that I'm receiving this on behalf of Bauchi State. And I'm dedicating this to Bauchi State because it is here we worked and we collectively earned that recognition. You see, the ironies of life are full of subtleties, so much ambiguities, issues that come to knock each other are there for us to see the negative and the positives of life. I was just waking up to an occasion where I was told that I'm being accused of terrorism as a governor. Someone who is the head of the opposition. My commissioner has been kept and will not be released by an EFCC. Even when I have immunity as a governor, my name was stupendously mentioned in a motion, in a court of law in Nigeria. Me, Bala Mohammed, who is recognized without my inkling for this kind of recognition. God is wonderful. I don't have to say anything. I don't even have to go to the public court. But certainly, politics has become something in Nigeria. But with this kind of people around, Mr. Mgbeke and his colleagues, there is still hope in the country. Whatever anything does to denounce you, to prosecute you, somehow God will bring something to absolve you of blames, of persecution. Because with the little resources we have, the work we have done in Bauchi, somebody will accuse us of arbitrariness. We have a country where 51% of the resources is taken by the federal government. In my state, they have not provided 1 kilometer of road. They have not provided water. Even the security agencies, I'm the one paying them to work for us. And they have the guts to talk. This is a country where when you walk, you become a villain, you become an idiot. I have kept quiet for too long, just for peace and security. Because as politicians, we should not overhate the polity. But I'm not a coward. I'm just keeping quiet because of the common people. We don't have to denounce, denigrate people before we ascend to power. The federal government should look at its tax system. In spite of all the impurities, they are going ahead to impoverish the common man, to impoverish the subnationals. We are keeping quiet. There is no security in the north more than that we have in Bauchi State. And that's what we have done together through community development. I have APC and PDP and even NNPP here. We are living in peace because of democratic governance. We tolerate ourselves. There is too much intolerance. The APC-led federal government think they can use the courts, the institution of government like the EFCC, to persecute and prosecute Nigerians that are not within their own party. If they don't stop, we are going to declare war. I assure you we are not going to keep quiet any longer. I won't allow anybody to criminalize me because I'm not in their party. And I refuse to join their party. And I will not join their party. My family members, my officials have been taken like anything, locked up, without any reason. This award inspired me to talk. I didn't want to talk. But we still hope in the courts and in Nigerians. I thank the Institute for this opportunity, and I assure you it is not going to make us arrogant. Our humility and modesty will continue. We will use small things and do things and leave legacies and landmarks that will make Nigerians proud. And no Jupiter will stop us from doing this. We thank you most sincerely, convey our appreciation to your organization. We don't need anything more than good governance. Nigerians should be bailed out of poverty. There should be reduction in pain. We are ready to support the presidency and the federal government to work because we are federalists. We have enjoyed the support and patronage of the federal government, the international community, the development partners, because they believe in our template, in our good governance, and the way we utilize resources. It is not only the federation account we are using. We improve our IGR, and we are getting a lot of money from the international community, and we are utilizing it very well. Thank you for that recognition. We have built our health system, our primary education. We are reducing the prevalence of out-of-school children. We have been given awards 3 times by the federal government for rural development, for urban development, and then good governance. And then they're accusing us. What kind of paradox is this? What do they want us to do? What they want us to do is to join them. We will not join them. If they want war, I said we will give them. If they want peace, we will give them peace. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Excellency. This award recognizes your transformational leadership and your consistent.
The governor of Bauchi is saying that all the problems is having than the one that God has said I will put fire in your belly. So if you don't have such power, why are you fighting? If I have the power to put fire, so why are you fighting? Go and face your problem. You came to my state, I said, be careful. Leave my state alone. You wanted to impose party leader in my state. I said, you too, you will see the transit. Today, he does not have a party to bring his successor. That is what I want them. If you know you don't have the strength to fight, don't go and arrest. Now, EFCC is facing them. He said to me, what's my business? What's my business? If your state is clean, go there to me and clear yourself. What's my business? So, try to tell Nigerians that look, tell them to leave me alone. Go and face your problem. I'm only fighting with you as party leadership. I'm not interested in what you spend. You say I'm selling land. You were Minister of FCT 2010 to 2015. Why not tell people what you did in FCT? The whole land you sold it. Land grabbers. Do the roads. Their water contract, you collect upfront. And now I'm the one completing all the projects. Nigerians are singing our names every day. That's why you're leaving. And we have done well. And will continue to do well.
Thank you.
Anybody that has stroke is wicked. Anybody that has headache, wicked. Those who are in Sokoto, wicked. They're in Taraba, wicked. They're in Lagos, wicked. They're in Bauchi, wicked. So leave this wicked strong. I see they bring them, you see